The S2000 bags are here. These are the ones we've been working on with the person that we met that actually lives in Bahrain. He has been selling these and sent us one as a sample and said, hey, what do you think? Do you want to sell these? I really liked it. And to be honest, I didn't know that this product existed. It's like a little mail bag right here. It's got a decent amount of storage. We've got about 16 inches of storage right here, and it expands on the sides. It also has 3 pockets here. I mean, this is probably big enough to put, you know, a pen. Maybe you could put your tow hook in there, or even like spare information that you want to keep in there, you know, like insurance card, that kind of thing. Then you also have this mesh area here, which expands. It's got a little bit of room in there, and it's super nice quality. It's really, really well made. These are the finished ones. So we have these in the store in 2 colors, black and red. Now you're going to look at these little hooks right here, and like me, you're going to go, where the heck does this go? Well, take a look behind your driver's seat. Go ahead, flip your driver's seat forward. You're going to see those 2 little hooks. When doing convertible tops, we remove those hooks to get to the plastic panels. Never thought about those hooks. Never really knew what they did. These hang on it right there. They hang on that, sit behind your seat. Even if you're tall like me, I'm 6'2", my seat doesn't go all the way back because I don't want the back of the seat rubbing on this plastic and kind of squeaking. I mean, you could stick some cleaning supplies in there, you know, maybe a bottle of detail spray and a few things like that. And like I said, a few little bits of information in there. So we have them in black with the red logo and red with the black logo. And I like this because you can see the red coming through here. Again, super nice quality. Now, on the back side, you've got this strip right here. This will stick down to your carpet. If you have the vinyl all the way down, if you want, you can double side this to it, and then that will stick that to there. It's not really going to flop around because your seat backs up against this, but I thought these were really cool, and I decided to buy a bunch and put them in the store. Buy them now. We only got 10 of each. Next order, I will buy more, but right now these are selling pretty quick. They were available from the dealer in 2000. Now they're super rare. They're bringing like $300-400 if you can find them. And looking at these are as good quality as anything I've ever seen, which is why I decided to bring them in. Super nice stitched, nice edging, really quality part right there. More t-shirts. I'm peddling more t-shirts. These are the new S2000 t-shirts. These are the ones that always sold fast, and people like them, and I like them. They're not gray. They're like a shiny silver. They're not sparkly. They're nice silver. The S2000 silhouette and the LHT performance. These are going to be in the store by the time you watch this video. Just got 200 shirts. These are going to stick around. These are not like a, oh my god, you got to buy them quick because they're going to be out of stock. I'm not going to do that to you. These we're going to try and keep all the time because they sell so well. Talking of selling so well, the crazy sunglasses that you guys probably thought I was out of my mind, they're sold out. And they're my favorite sunglasses. I give some of you guys, when you buy stuff, I throw in sunglasses once in a while. Go ahead and click and tag us. Let people know what you think. They're genuinely good sunglasses. I went on the cruise and saw a sunglass in the port for 20 bucks. You pick them up and they look like crap. They didn't fit the hook on your ears. They sucked. Our $8 sunglasses blow those things away. So talking of selling your stuff, and I thought this was a crazy idea. Mother's Day just came and went. I don't know what to buy my wife. She had asked about a banana stand. And it was not actually holding a banana up, it was holding a pretzel. It's at a restaurant I went to. And I was like, oh, this is a cool idea. There's a pretzel hanging in the stand. She goes, that's a banana stand. I didn't even know there was such a thing. I thought you put bananas on the counter or you put them in a bowl. And anyway, apparently you put them on a stand. So I made her one for Mother's Day out of titanium. They're actually the bananas, but there's the titanium stand. And I put it on Instagram just as a, hey, look, made a titanium banana stand. A lot of people went, wow, that is really cool. I mean, my phone has been blowing up. I'm getting messages. Everybody loves these things and said, hey, you should make them. And I was amazed somebody would want to buy them. So I ordered some titanium from Tycon, and I'm going to make probably 10. And then if you want them, you can buy them. If not, I'll have 10 banana stands in my kitchen with a whole bunch of bananas hanging out. And if they are popular, who knows, I might make more. A conversation I had with my wife, I said, it's funny, you look in the store, I'd say 50% of our orders come from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m., which is when people are shopping. Obviously, when the kids go to bed, you pick up your phone, you start shopping. And then when your wife goes to bed, you pick up your phone and you do some more shopping. You do the shopping for yourself. But I thought if I had stuff in the store that girls would like, maybe while you're buying yourself something nice, you can buy her something nice, like an S2000 shirt or a S2000 bag or a pair of sunglasses, maybe a banana stand. So check that out. Let us know if that's something you're interested in. Hopefully you are, because I've ordered enough material to do 10. But let me know what you think about the chick idea, and if that's something that you like, I'll get Esther to put chick stuff together. I don't mean that in a negative way, and I can get Esther to kind of put a pack. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, enjoy your cars, and we'll see you in the next video.